What's your name?
Asa Jolson.
Are you in show business?
Those footlights and a lot closer to the audience. I want a runway from the stage running right down the center of the house. Then I can sing right at it.
How? You put a thing like that up, you lose 100 seats every performance.
And your show has twice as long a run and clear profit. Now look, right down here.
Swanee, how I love you, my dear old Swanee. The folks up north will see me no more when I get to that Swanee shore. I love the old folks at home, Swanee. How I love you, my dear old Swanee. The folks up north will see me no more when I get to that Swanee shore.
Robinson Crusoe, after 2 years, still Sackaroo.
What is Sackaroo, Papa?
Sackaroo, Mama? That's double Sacco. Look, when do we play Washington? 2 weeks. The night we open there, let's make it a real celebration. Get a box for Mama and Papa and Anne Murray and her folks, and tell Papa to bring the president.
Of the United States?
No, the synagogue.
Listen to me while I tell you of the Spaniard who lighted me life. Listen to me while I tell you of the man who stole my future wife. Run down at the bullfight we met him, and during his daring display. And while I went out for some peanuts and a program, the dirty dog stole it away. No, yes. Oh, no. No, yes. Oh, no.